In the world of optics, a simple piece of glass holds the power to unlock a secret of light itself. This is the prism, a silent master of refraction. As light enters its transparent heart, it bends, splits, and reveals the colors hidden within. Let's journey through the refraction of light through the eyes of physics. Consider a prism ABC. A ray of light, PQ, strikes its first surface, bending towards the normal as it enters the denser medium. Inside, it glides gracefully to the second face, before emerging as ray RS, bending once more, this time away from the normal. Each twist and turn follows one elegant law, Snell's law, the rule that governs every beam that bends. But light doesn't travel this path in vain. The journey through the prism leaves it slightly turned, deviated from its original direction. The angle between where it started and where it finally emerges, that's the angle of deviation delta, a signature of how much the prism has bent the light's destiny. Mathematics now steps in to explain this dance of light. From the geometry of the prism, we know the angle of the prism, A, is the sum of the two internal refractions, R1 plus R2. And the total deviation, delta, is found by tracing how much the incident and emergent rays have shifted. Thus, delta is equal to the sum of the incident angle I and emergent angle E minus the apex angle A. A formula so elegant it bridges geometry, trigonometry, and the beauty of light itself. For thin prisms, those with small refracting angles, the deviation becomes almost linear, almost gentle. Here, the deviation delta is small enough to be proportional to the prism's angle itself. Even in simplicity, the prism whispers truths about how light bends and how beauty hides in precision. Now, pause for a moment and think. When a ray of light emerges from the prism, slightly turned, which angle marks its deflection? Is it incidence, reflection? No, it's the angle of deviation. The measure of how light's path was forever changed inside a prism's gleaming heart. A prism doesn't just bend light, it unveils its hidden colors. It reminds us that even the simplest beam can hold a rainbow within. Through refraction, we see not just light, but the very spectrum of nature's wonder.